Let me explain you about the eighth program. How to write the program to calculate the area of a triangle by providing its three sides ABC as input. So here the hint is also given to find out the area. It is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. And the value of s, how to calculate, is also given here. So doing this program, so you have to create a file, and I'm naming this file as tryarea.c. So the first part is about documentation. So include the documentation. So this program is about uh, area of a triangle, area of a triangle. And the first part is you have to include the header file next. So hash include and required header file here is standard input output operation. So stdio.h, and the start the main function using int main of. And for this program, they have given you have to read three sides of a triangle, right? So you have to declare the variable as int a and then b comma c, and you're going to calculate value s, and then you're going to calculate area. So the required variables are declared here. So the next part is you have to prompt the user to enter the each side of enter the each side of triangles triangles value. So now you have to read the input from the user, that is three sides. So if it is of type integer, then you have to use the specifier %d. For three variables you are going to read, so 3 times %d, comma, then you have to mention the address of the variable, what is the first variable, and comma, second variable, ampersand b, comma, ampersand c. So the three variables are mentioned here. The next part is you have to calculate the value of s using the formula s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. And so the next calculation is area. To find the area, there is a square root function is needed, sqrt, and it is a built-in function which is available inside a header file called math.h. So to use this mathematical operation, that is you want to perform square root function, then you have to include hash include math.h here. Then only you can use that one of the function which is defined inside this math.h, that is sqrt. So sqrt of sqrt of, in bracket you have to mention the formula. What is the actual formula? It is s into s minus a, and that into multiplied by s minus b and multiplied by s minus c. And it is a function, you have to close all the brackets carefully. So here comes s minus b into s minus c. So the formula calculations part, everything is over. Now you have to print the result using printf function. So area of the triangle is, which is available, the results of type integer, so %d, comma, and the variable name is, the result is stored in the variable called area. So that's all about this program. Save this program and using WQ exclamatory symbol. Now compile the program using CC. For this program which use a mathematical function, so you have to use -m minus -lm, then space the file name dot c. So CC space -lm for mathematical operation execution, and space the file name .c. If there is no error, you can go for run the program. So it is asking for enter the sides of a triangle. I'm going to give the value 50, 20 and 40. So now the area of the triangle is printed here. So this is how you can read the sides of different sides of a triangle, and you can calculate the area using the math function, that is SQRT. And you have to compile it is when you use a mathematical function inside your program. So you have to use CC space minus LM space filename.c.